And we're back with another end of day post wave report with yours truly, the Algo Capitalist, aka the Vulcan, coming to you live from postwavetrading.com, home of the world famous post wave price trigger reports. All right, most of these charts are all the same, so this is going to be very fast and easy tonight. All right, starting with the Bitcoin futures, you'll notice that we are still in a bear market with a bearish trend momentum reading, which means we are still selling rallies in Bitcoin. That's right, selling rallies in Bitcoin. Next up, we have gold. All right, this is GLD, the gold ETF. We're still in a bull market, even though we're in a bull market correction with the bearish trend momentum reading. The market has now tested that bottom of the Kumo cloud secondary downside pullback target. So where we go from here is a good question. Will the market find support and rally from here, or are we going to fall over the cliff? Only time will tell. Next up, we just did that. Let me take that out of here. All right, this is GDXJ, the gold miners ETF. We're in a bull market correction. However, the negative trend momentum reading has come off, and now we have the beginning stages of a bullish trend momentum reading, which means that the market appears to be ready to relock in to the upside. The last alert we had was a crash alert back here, January 26th, and now we have a rally alert for tomorrow, signifying that this downward slide is over. So we have a rally alert for GDXJ for tomorrow. Next up, we had a Dow Jones Industrial Average ETF DIA. We're in a bull market, but we have a bearish trend momentum reading. Market is in a corrective state still and looking to head lower, ladies and gentlemen. That's right. This thing is looking to head lower. Down she goes into a free fall status. Selling rallies is still happening because the market is in a corrective state. Can it relock in on the bull side? Of course it can, once the bearish trend momentum reading drops off. Next up, we have silver futures, and you'll notice that we're in a bull market, but you're in a state of correction. Got a bearish trend momentum reading, and the market is in a free fall status. Not ready to turn just yet. More downside to go in silver. The NASDAQ 100 futures, as you can see here, we're in a bear market with a bearish trend momentum reading. And yes, we're still in sell the rally mode in the NASDAQ. Next up, we have gold futures. You'll notice that we're in the bull market with a bearish trend momentum reading, still in a state of correction. You've already hit the secondary downside target, which is the bottom of the Kumo cloud. And the market is now in jeopardy of falling over the cliff and going into free fall status. Next up, we have crude oil futures. As you can see here, we're in a bear market with a bullish trend momentum reading, but we're not staging a bear market rally. Even with a bullish trend momentum reading, this market is flat. Nothing happening here. Buyers and sellers are both shook, and there's nothing happening. Market has not chosen to break support or bust through resistance. It's just flat. Stalemate in oil, ladies and gentlemen. Next up, we have the US dollar index. So we're in the bear market with a bullish trend momentum reading. The market has been in a bear market rally stage, has not hit the upper resistance point, which is the top of the Kumo cloud around the 106 to 107 range. Still time to do that, but that's where we are. So this market is still in bid mode until it isn't. Next up is Ethereum futures. We're still in a bear market with a bearish trend momentum reading. Market is still in the sell the rallies mode. Next up, we got Nat Gas. This is the ETF UNG. Slow grind. You're in a bear market with a bullish trend momentum reading, trying to stage a bear market rally, but it's slow, slow, slow. Bottom of the Kumo cloud around the $13 to $14 range is the upside initial target for this bear market rally. Next up is the long bond TLT. You're in a bear market with a bearish trend momentum reading, and you're right here trying to stay in the Kumo cloud, but is in jeopardy of going into free fall status. This market is in sell the rallies mode still. Next up is the S&P 500, and this is the SPY ETF. We're in a bear market, bearish trend momentum reading. Market tried to go bullish temporarily, but just couldn't hold it. And we're in sell the rally modes in the S&P 500 as well. Next up is silver ETF SLV, which is already in free fall status, but it's in a bull market with a bearish trend momentum reading still in a point of correction, has not yet found the bottom. We got support all the way down here at the $16 range. So this thing still has a ways down to go. Next up is the NASDAQ 100. The QQQ is the ticker. And this is the ETF. You notice that it's in a bear market with a bearish trend momentum reading. And we're in sell the rallies mode. Looking at crude oil futures by way of the crude oil ETF, it's in a bull market, but we are neutralized. You had a rally alert. The market did give you some upside production, but it is in a neutralization position, which means we stay out of it. We don't touch a neutralized market. We wait until we have a signal. So whatever this thing is going to do, let it do it, and then we'll do what we need to do. But when you see the blue bars, you stay away. Stay away. Next up is the Russell My Hustle. So the Russell is in a bullish trend right now with a bearish trend momentum reading. So you're not really able to see the trend. You're still in a state of correction, and you are in sell the rallies mode in the Russell. Next up is the US dollar index tradable UUP, still in the Kumo cloud, bear market, bullish trend momentum reading. You're right here at the secondary profit objective on the bear market rally. Where it goes from here, nobody knows. All right. I see the question, do you guys have video on how to open a brokerage and fund the account, etc.? Yes, we do. If you go to pulsewavetrading.com, we have a bunch of tutorials and education and things of that nature there. So just go there and we'll hook you up. We have a lot of information there. If you need further assistance, just shoot me a message and I will respond with you. All right. Either myself or Frank or one of the other numerous people we have on board will help you out with that. Okay. So yes, we have a ton of information on how to open and fund a brokerage account, depending on where you are located on the planet. If you are in the U.S., outside the U.S., all that good stuff. If you want to, what kind of working capital you're working with, then that decides what type of markets you should go in, investment style, all that good stuff. So be glad to talk to you more about that. Just shoot us over a message and we got you. Thanks. I appreciate that, Aaron. Good looking out. Yeah, I mean, it can be confusing in the beginning on which way to go, especially if you're new to the markets and haven't had much exposure to the markets or you never traded any instruments before. There are a lot of different options for you that didn't used to exist. Now we have a lot of things going on. We got crypto markets, we got forex, we got futures, we got equities. You can trade stock options, you can trade options on futures. I mean, there's just so many tools at your disposal. But regardless of the size of your risk capital, um, there's something for you to trade. All right. So you got micro forex at a company called ONA or Onata, however you want to pronounce it. I like to say ONA. They let you trade micro forex down to a penny a pip. Then you got micro futures now that you didn't used to have. You used to have e-mini futures, but now we got micro futures. So with, I think I've seen it as low as 100 or $200, maybe even 300 in margin to trade one contract. So that's available to you. As far as crypto, I wouldn't recommend messing with that just right now. And I'll tell you why. If you're new to crypto, you haven't done anything in crypto, right now it's not the time. Crypto right now is extremely bearish and just going down, down, down. And if you don't know how to really short and all that stuff, it can be problematic for you. So now if you're already holding like Bitcoin or something like that, that's a different story. But I wouldn't start there for beginners. I wouldn't start there. Um, but that's just my opinion. All right, folks, y'all know what to do. You know what this is. If you work the system works, but you do have to work the system, and it takes patience and commitment. It is not that hard. All right, 10 minutes a day is all you need to do what you need to do and build your income stream. Bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. Smash that like button. And if you have not already signed up, go to PulseWaveTrading.com. Take the 14-day free trial challenge. See how much money you can make during that time period trading with the pulse waves. Try it. I think you will be amazed at not how simple it is, but just how streamlined of an approach we have built and set up for you to make money. With that being said, I'm out. Peace.